indeterminate open, and this is kind of the way we thought it would go this week because we were waiting the G20 meeting, and it's the week after the quadruple witch. Usually that's flattish to the downside. Here's this indeterminate open I talked about: consumer discretionary, REITs, healthcare, materials, energy, sort of either side of positive or negative. But we're ending the quarter, and it's not the month that matters. Professional investors tend to look quarter by quarter, and this is very much a big cap quarter, really dominated by a small group of super cap stocks, for example. So the S&P up 3.9%. As you go down the food chain, mid caps are slightly flattish, and small caps notably to the downside. Transport's down about 2%. When I say super big cap stocks, you look at the point impact on the S&P 500, and you can see what's going on here. So the S&P 500 is up about 110 points for the quarter. Look at this. Microsoft is 213 of those points. How's that possible? Because one stock can be more than the actual total because other stocks are down. So Intel, for example, is down. That's having a negative point impact on the S&P. But with the S&P up 111 points, Microsoft is 200 points. Facebook is 85, Disney 75, 71 for Amazon, Apple 40. And look at these five stocks basically are dragging the S&P 500 up because they had a significant percentage move and because they have such a huge weighting in terms of market capitalization. Let me just show you the transports. It's really a tale of two cities in the transports. Again, I'm referring to what's going on a quarterly basis. It's the logistics and the transport names that are all down. I know we're all obsessed about FedEx. We're going to get the earnings report. Remember, they guided downward. This is their fourth quarter they're going to report. They guided downward last quarter. We're going to get fiscal 2020 numbers from them, and that's going to move the dial. But the whole group as a whole, logistics company, whether you're talking about Hunt or Ryder or Landstar or Robinson, any of those companies out there are just down on the global slowdown concerns. FedEx obviously has concerns about competition with his Amazon, so it's not the only thing that's going on, but it's the global slowdown that's really moving these. If you just take a look elsewhere in the transports, though, for example, there's a tale of two cities here. All the airlines are generally to the upside. JetBlue, Alaska, American, they're all trading to the upside. So it depends on what you're actually looking at. Finally, I just want to note IPOs yesterday. We had a little bit of a flutter there with some of the big names that have been up double digits, down notably on the day, down double digits. All of that's a little more stable today. Zoom, Revolve, PagerDuty, CrowdStrike flattish. CrowdStrike's been down, though, 4 days in a row. Keep an eye on that. Slack, $35. That's not bad. Slack, remember, they opened at $38.50 last week. Reference price was $26, so that's still well above the initial reference price.